What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to Instagram, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, seen the thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. I got a regular old Nike Dunk for y'all, man. Nothing special on the packaging. Regular box. The tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low, white, light bone, and oil green. Size 11. Saw these joints while I was just looking through them all. Thought these would be a good back to school shoe. And just a good shoe in general. Has some pretty solid colors, man, but let's get into it. Now, here we have the Nike Dunk Low and the oil green and cargo khaki colorway, man. This shoe is giving out fall vibes. Good back to school shoe, man. Neutral colors. Got some khaki in there, got some green in there. Definitely some stuff you can wear in the fall and back to school, especially if your kids have school uniforms. This will be a good school shoe for them, man, but let's get into the details. Now, starting off with the front of the shoe, man, the toe caps comes laced in the oil green color. White leather going across the toe box. And you aren't getting any crazy materials on these. This is your basic Panda Dunk leather, man. Nothing crazy, nothing super soft, nothing to tumble, anything like that. Has the white leather on the mid panel. Has that light tan, light bone color going across the swoosh. Has some dark olive green going across the back of the shoe. Same with the Nike on the heel tab, has the olive green stitching with the light bone going across. On the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside. Dark olive green in the back, light bone going across the swoosh, man. That oil green going across the front of the shoe. Pure white going across the midsole all the way around. And it has the dark olive green going across the outsole of the shoe, man. This joint is super nice, bro. Colorway wise, material wise, nothing great, but definitely a solid colorway. I was looking for something I can review for you guys for back to school, give you some ideas when you're school shopping for the youngest, man. Just trying to keep it on the budget side and something that's still nice and still with the trend of being a young kid, man. This is a good one and it's cheap, man. Now, the retail on this shoe was 120 bucks. That's 130 out the door here in Texas. So it's not too bad price-wise. Resale, you can get them for like around 150 and down across the boards. Maybe like 11 and a half was kind of up there, like 170. But everything else is 150 and down across the board. I was able to pick these joints up from Finish Line, and I don't think they're released on Nike just yet. I could be wrong, but I don't think this got a big release yet, like on Foot Locker and Nike and things like that. So the price may drop a lot more, like right around closer to retail than 120, 130 range. But even at 150, I think this is a good shoe. Fall colors, like I said earlier, man. Still neutral at the same time. Has some tan and khaki right there going across that swoosh. So it definitely could look good with your kids' uniforms. They're wearing the khaki bottoms and white tops and things like that. This would be a good shoe for them. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, it does have white going across the top of the shoe on that toe box. It has the olive green laces. It has the green tongue as well with the olive green Nike tag, white stitched in. And if you're looking at the insole, man, it's an olive green insole with the white Nike pressed on, man. Super decent, bro. This is a super decent shoe for sure. Now, as far as quality control and just quality in general, man, QC isn't bad, man. I don't see any like crazy errors. The toe box is a little bit warped on this shoe, man. Nothing too crazy. A little bit on this one as well, but it's kind of something that you always see when you're looking at the regular dunks, when they don't put anything extra into the project or anything. You're bound to see a lot of flaws. And really with Nike and Jordan in this day and age, you can get flaws on your Hypers release, man. So you really never know, but no flaws on this one. A little warping on the toe, man, but no glue stains or stitching errors. But as far as quality of leather, man, you're not getting anything special. Just expect a Nike Panda Dunk, but in a green colorway. As far as quality, that's what you're getting, man. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and close-up view of this Nike Dunk Low in the oil green and cargo khaki colorway, man. Neutral fall colors, easy to wear for back to school. Can go with your school uniforms. Can go with all your neutral hits if you're one of the fellas that love like wearing greens and browns and things like that. This goes right along with those earth tones, man. Really good shoe. This is men's sizing, I believe 7 to like 14. So if you come across on your size, I would say grab them. They didn't have my size. I will be trying to swap these joints out for 11 and a half at a later date for sure. Definitely keeping this joint. And we'll see how it goes, man. But leave a comment down below Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. You copping, dropping, dripping, flipping, skipping, man. Just leave your honest opinion down below, whether you love it or whether you hate it, man. But until next time on the next video, man, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the oil green and cargo khaki colorway. Peace, man.